Whether you've experienced the construction process for a week to get your new siding or only waited several hours for a concrete coating, the completion of your project is exciting. But now that your project is complete, some new thoughts may pop into your mind. We're going to talk about those thoughts, and after this video, you will understand the steps to come after your project is completed so your mind can be put at ease about what to expect. Hi, I'm Steve McNary, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. When you work with Southwest Exteriors, you create a lifelong relationship. With our lifetime warranty, if something goes wrong with any product we've provided, we'll fix it for as long as you live in your home. We always want you to know what is happening and what to expect before, during, and after your project. In this video, we will outline what to expect after your project with Southwest Exteriors is completed. This way, you will know what will happen and what to do if you have any issues or questions once the job is complete. Step 1. Review of the entire project. The last day of the installation of your project is the first step to the post-installation process. Whether your project has lasted for a few days, weeks, or mere hours, the process is the same for all projects. Once your project is completed, the project manager or the installation team leader will walk you through the scope of your work. They will show you all that was done and around your home and answer any questions you may have. You will also be informed of your warranty for the product and receive a copy of that warranty for your reference. Review of each specific product. For window and door replacements, you will be shown how to operate them, including how to lock and unlock them and open and close them. For siding replacements, you will have a secondary post-installation appointment with a James Hardie siding inspector. This inspector will come out to your home and inspect the work we've done to ensure it was installed under James Hardie's best practices. For concrete coating projects, you will be informed of how to care for your concrete surface and have any product-specific questions answered. Step 2. A follow-up with our Client Experience Champion. Following the completion of your project, our Client Experience Champion will contact you to follow up. They will reach out to you via a phone call or a text within a week that your project was completed to talk about how your project went and your experience working with us. They will ask you questions about how the project turned out, how the crew was, how clean the job site was, and how well we communicated with you. We want you to be as honest with us as possible so we can grow from each experience. And we want you to be 100% satisfied with your project. If you have any other questions regarding your project or product, this is a time where we can get those answered for you as well. Step 3. If something goes wrong and you need a repair or replacement. No matter how long ago your project was completed, it's covered for any damages for as long as you live in your home. If something breaks or is not working properly, give us a call and we'll work through getting it repaired for you. You can call either the front desk, inside sales center, or our Client Experience Champion and will be transferred or told when you will receive a call back from a project manager or our service manager. You can also call your project manager from your project directly. During this phone call, we will talk with you about the issue you are experiencing. We'll try to best assess the problem to provide the right solution as quickly as possible. Once the problem area has been inspected and a solution is identified, we'll order the new replacement part if necessary and schedule the repair date. If you run into any other problems in the future with any product you've ever received from us, simply let us know. We have you covered. At Southwest Exteriors, we're not about transactions, but lifelong relationships. With that said, when your home remodeling project is complete, rest assured we will always be there for you. A few of our core values are love, excellence, compassion, and communication. Whether your windows or siding were installed 1 year ago or 10 years ago, we will always service that product for you for as long as you live in your home. If you want more information on Southwest Exteriors, check out the link down below to an article where you can find out if Southwest Exteriors is the right contractor for you. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.